Welcome back to another lecture. So let me just go through quickly how you add additional bits of information, add extensions onto your standard ad. So with location, if you haven't got any locations set up, you can add them, and then what will happen is that you have to go to your Google My Business account to add these. Then we've got call, and this is simple. There'll be no phone numbers undoubtedly when you first start. So you just go to new phone number, you select the country code, and then you add the phone number. And when somebody calls you, you can actually have a conversion action attached to the call. So if somebody calls you, a conversion action will be created to track your call conversions. And the device preference, you can put mobile, and this will show up on mobile. Okay? App. Now, if you have an app, what you can do is you can link it to your ad. Now, what you do is you obviously select the operating system, the Apple or Google ID for the ad. You put some text in there, and then you put the final URL that links to the app. And again, you've got the date scheduling, you've got the URLs for mobile, and then you've got the advanced URL options. Reviews. Now, this is tougher. Now, I've tried to add reviews, and this has to go through what I think is a vetting process from Google. They're going to validate it. And what I've done here is I've basically put a link to my reviews for my course. So we'll just have to wait and see if that happens. But really what you need to do is you need to have a third-party site or a site that hosts your reviews, and then you send them over to Google, they'll validate it, and I think that there's quite a long process with it. I think it takes about a week for them to fully validate it, and then it gets added to your ad. Callouts. So as I've shown you already, additional descriptive text. So as you saw in this particular example, you can see here what Udemy have added. So they've added the lifetime guarantee. So you can add call out. So if we put new call out, you can put the call out text. You've got 25 characters by which to do so. And then once you've done that, you can add the structured snippets. Now, structured snippets is just a way of bullet pointing different things that people get from your website and features of it, essentially. So that is how you add other ad extensions. It is very simple, but the most important thing is that site links is incredibly simple. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lecture.